What a CEO needs to know is what's going to actually happen in the future. What am I actually projecting for? RML started 38 years ago. It started manufacturing small components for the pneumatics industry, and has eventually grown to be an operation over in Australia, New Zealand and in India. So the scale of our operation is going from a small part that might be worth about $2 right up to something that's worth $2.5 million. Before moving to MYOB Advanced, we didn't know what stage our equipment was at. We didn't know where our parts were. A $5 part could hold up a $2.5 million piece of equipment. Ultimately, we weren't working efficiently. We also had very slow reporting, and it took us a long time to be able to bring our financial reports through. So why did we choose MYOB Advanced? We wanted a friendly system. We also wanted something that was cloud-based. We didn't want to be able to support the hardware, and we wanted to be able to integrate into it and build our own customizations. We also wanted great reporting, something that a Fortune 500 company would have. Has it increased our production efficiency? Definitely. Has it increased our bottom line? Yes. We have the ability of saying exactly where each part is, at what process it is within our production work centres, and how long it's going to take before it exits those and become available for our customers. Therefore, we can give them a delivery date. We'd recommend MYOB Advanced to other production businesses because it future-proofs your operation. It's suddenly allowed the whole business to actually open up. It's given me data that's up to date. I can make decisions on. That's been a big improvement in our business.